everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making fasolaki, which is long green beans. I'm gonna make Fasolaki Yiagni, yes, with tomatoes, potato, onion. Normally some people even do it with either chicken or beef or pork, depending on what you feel like. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell, and let's get started on the ingredients for the fasolaki. So we have the fasolaki, the long green beans, salt, black pepper, olive oil, tomato, onion, potatoes, and again, because I'm not using chicken stock or beef stock, I'm gonna be using allspice, sweet paprika, and Rigani. And then we have sugar just to balance out the acidity for the tomato. We start off by chopping the ends of the fasolaki, the long green beans. And I slice the onion and peeled, washed and chopped the potato. And in a big pot on medium heat I added the olive oil. And to that I added the sliced onions. Gave that a mix. Let it sweat for a few minutes. And then I added in the spices. And then the potato. So I gave that a mix and cooked it while I was chopping the tomato. And now I added the tomato. Gave that a mix. Added salt and ground black pepper. And then finally I added the beans on top. And I covered it and let it cook for 25 minutes. So after 25 minutes I gave it a mix and I cooked it for a further 15 minutes, and this is what it looks like. You can cook it longer if you want your beans to be softer. I like them crunchy. The potato was cooked, so it was fine for me. And now ready to serve up. Placed it in a bowl, added a nice chunk of feta, drizzled some delicious olive oil, and sprinkled some Rigani on top. Now you can leave it like that, or you could just add some sriracha sauce like I did, and enjoy. Okay, so the only thing missing from this delicious dish was either focaccia or ciabatta to dip in that sauce, and with the feta and Rigani and olive oil. So yeah, that's what was missing. I of course put sriracha sauce on it. sorry, the bean that fell before was eaten by my baby Chloe here. Sorry about that. So yes, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for future videos. I hope you have an awesome evening or an awesome day. Thank you for watching. Bye.